Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS, in the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, no code with FXDreema. In this video, we'll explore the structure and logic of the Mqlrobot EAS Divergence Hedge EA. This EA is built entirely using FXDreema, a powerful visual strategy builder for MetaTrader, without writing a single line of code. Let's break down what this EA does. Strategy overview. The Divergence Hedge EA uses MACD divergence signals as entry points. When the MACD shows a bullish divergence, the robot will open a buy trade. When it shows a bearish divergence, it will open a sell trade, but it doesn't stop there. To manage risk and maximize opportunity, this EA uses a hedging strategy, meaning it can open additional opposite direction trades if the initial trade is not successful. This makes it ideal for ranging markets or markets with frequent reversals. Core EA structure. There are three main components of this EA. 1. Divergence signal block. This is the signal trigger. The robot checks for a MACD divergence, bullish or bearish, and opens the first trade immediately, using a specific lot size. Hedging logic, Group 1 and Group 2. The robot splits its hedging into two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Each group manages its own set of pending hedge orders with increasing lot sizes or alternating direction. Depending on the setup, each order is only opened once certain conditions are met. For example, no current trade of that type is open, and previous orders in the sequence have been executed. Closing conditions. Once the target profit is reached, for either group, the EA will close all open trades in that group, delete all remaining pending orders related to that cycle. This ensures clean trade management and avoids overtrading. Important note before using this EA. As with any expert advisor, it's very important to understand the underlying strategy and risks. Please always backtest with 99.9% tick data to ensure performance and accuracy before running it on a live account. You can download and customize this EA via the link below. Project link: www.mqlrobot.com. If you find this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel Mqlrobot EAS. We publish new builds, tutorials, and strategy ideas, all without writing code. Thanks for watching and happy trading.